Zintchito zanga zomwe ndachimwazo mbuyanga mukhululuke. Nyali yanga yomwe inazima muyiyasenso. Moyo wanga mutenge ndikhale tu wanu. Ndilandileni ambuye. Cho ya malisamalize yose.
Hello viewers, wherever you're watching us from. The day that we have been waiting has come. This coming Friday, a night of praise. We'll have 2 days of revival, starting from Friday night and also finish on Sunday. And currently, we've got one of the big artists from Malawi, Skeffa Chimoto, is right here in the office with me. And some of them, they are still on their way coming. Some of them, they are coming from Devon. They'll be arriving on Friday. So please don't miss this program. It will be very powerful. And us as the Holy Nation Church, we are ready, and we have done everything for the program to be so powerful. And right here, if you want to hear some of the points from Skeffa Chimoto, one of the great artists from Malawi.
Inenda bwilagale, you got to ndisuti. Bas, komanda bwilagale, I'm already here. Antonu kufunika mphamvu, kulimbika kufunika mphamvu ya uzimu. Moti niyo ngati mulibe mphamvu ya uzimu, sinti zinthu zingatheke. You need power. So anthu ena mphamvu amatenga kwa sing'anga. Koma ifeyo timanena kuti za kwa sing'anga, mphamvu zake zilibe moyo. Chifukwa Yesu ndiye njira, choonadi ndi moyo. Zinthu zitatu izizi zimakumana pa Yesu yekha. Zinazo zitokhala njira inde muchita bwino, koma si choonadi ndi moyo. Ndiye kuti nthawi ina iliyonse zili ndi imfa zimenezo. Ndiye matiti kuyitaneni, we want to invite you to come out in large numbers. I know you need God, and you've tried so many ways. I need God too, to be a good musician, to compose good songs that will be beneficial to my people, to our people. I need God. I've always needed God. No wonder I'm part of this, and I'm already here. I'm very much cared for this. But this is not mawa.
No. No, the program is set for Friday. And,
but I think I'll start coming here on Wednesday. I just want to get you.
Yeah, the rehearsals, to warm up for the program.
Yes. So we are here, and my friends have already confirmed that they are coming. They are on the way. Friday. For those who are doubting, we are in the building here.
Yeah.
We are in the church building.
Right here in the Holy Nation Church.
Yes.
Yeah. So we have a lot of artists. We're having Ayanda Tazi from Debe. Is also coming. He has just confirmed that he will be coming. We have got also Migari from Nigeria. So we have all types of praise from Malawi, Nigeria.
And the young Samaritans are the guest of honor. And
Imagine the High Commission from Malawi Embassy will be with us here.
High Commission and them.
Yeah, they are Malawi, yeah. So we have different kind of people here. Limpopo will be here, Deben will be here, Nigerians will be here.
They know win at the moment. They have driven all the way. They are flying. They have been flying all the way from Durban, some from Malawi, and someone is sitting in Joburg.
Yes,
they are not coming. This is your chance. Also, celebrate someone. We know so this is one of the chances that you can't afford to miss.
Be part of it. It will be very, very
Wezilanga Yesu beranimo. Kodi kanka so dimbe?
Yeah, push.
Kanka iwe kanka.
Kanka.
Maso.
That one. Yeah, you need to start with that one.
Oh, not Jambiles. Okay.
On Friday night. Just keep it for Friday night. Yeah. So all we are saying, be part of it. Be part of this program. It will be very, very powerful. You can't afford to miss this program. And as we are ready here, the ordination, the executive team and the pastoral team, they are moving up and down just to make sure the program is successful. So be part of this program. Your life will never be the same.
Simwe kubuza uje zamaendedwe kuti nzolipira zinthuzi kuti nzacha fa anthu ena organize kuti ena kuba kwera kunoko akuti nzolipira
apapa Mulungu alipira. God has already paid for everyone. So please just come with yourself. The only thing that you are going to pay is your time. So bring your time, your energy, your dancing shoes. But in terms of money and other things, God has already paid us.
They are free. I think they are also free transport from like our locations: Cosmo City, Tembisa, Spread View, Davidton. All the locations. I think there is free transport.
Okay, like in a location, where do they get?
Yeah, they just get our numbers. I think we have got a church number. Yeah, I will give you the number. Yeah, we have got the church number that you can contact some of the pastors here just to get a transport to Isando. The church number is 068 045 4518. 068 045 4518. Please call that number, then they will direct you where you can go and get a free transport coming here. And also, this is a night of praise. As the man of God has already said, God has paid for it. So come, praise God, dance. Sometimes you just need to praise God and then oh no, this is a night of praise, the whole night just for praising God. So we'll have different functions on the program until morning. So they must get ready on that one.
Get ready and you will be part of the thing. You will not just be watching. You know, so just come.
And also maybe some of them, in case maybe they might be busy, they will miss it. But Sunday will be here also.
Wow.
Yeah, so you can join us on Sunday. Yeah.
Sabuna one day.
Indeed.
I think it's a way so
No, he's saying he's no longer going back to Malawi. I think he has just come for good.
No, I'm really thankful that I'm part of this, and I'm ready to give you what you expect from Skeffa.
Yes.
In end muntu wantu zimene mabanga zifunika anthu utsogolo kunditwa zivina zisangala, so I'm ready to do that. I'm happy to do that.
That's powerful. So I expect more. Come, see you on a Friday night and Sunday.